Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily enable adaptive active noise cancellation on your XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So first, here we are in the app of the XIAOMI Earbuds. The name is XIAOMI Earbuds as well. So now what we can do is basically we cannot change the noise cancellation while they are in the case, so let me take two of them. Now, as you guys can see, here we have a lot of modes including the noise cancellation, and here we have the adaptive noise cancellation, and here is what we need to enable. So here we can either set it to light, just like that. You guys can customize it a bit, then enable the adaptive noise cancellation, and that'd be it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.